Good afternoon, and let's begin our queries. My first query is the order by query. Select all from churches, other by contact underscore details sec. So this query is going to select from the churches table. This query is going to select from all from the churches table, ordering them by using their contact details in descending order. So it's going to use their contact details to arrange them in descending order. So let's see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, using their contact details, it has arranged them descending order. Now the next query is going to be an inner join query. This query joins 2 or 3 tables together. So let's see how it works. This time I'm going to join the youth information and then the adults table into the churches table to see the names of the churches they attend. So let's see. That's the table. So as I said, this is the code. So let's see how it works. Okay, perfecto. So as you can see, this query also works. Church, the names, this query also works. So the next query is going to be the aggregate function. So I'm going to select the age. I'm going to select a sum of all ages from the adults table. This query is going to give the total age from the adults table. It's going to sum all up the age so that we can see the total age in there. So let's see, select some age from adults table. Let's see if we get an answer correct. Okay, so the total age in the adults table is 559 age. This also works. So the next query, which is going to be the grouping by query. This query is also going to select the first name and age from the youth information table, grouping them by their first name, having a sum age greater than 21. So this is going to arrange them by their first name and the age which are greater than 21. So if you are below 21, this query is not supposed to show, but it's supposed to show 21 and above. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, first name sum from others. So let's see how this query also works. Okay, so as you can see, we have 2630. So this query also works perfectly by their first name. So as you can see, it also works perfectly. Sorry. Our next query is going to be the self join. The next query is going to be the self join query. This query Yes. So the self join query. So we have the self join query. We have the self join query. This query is going to select from teacher ID, first name, and position title to find all the names of teachers by their position title. So this query is going to select using the teacher's position title by their first name and ID. So let's see if the query works. Self join query. Okay, so it works. So as you can see, using their position titles. Of the same position title. So maybe, so as you can see, it's using the same position titles by their first names. So my next query is going to be the subquery in the where clause. The subquery in the where clause. So this query is going to select first and last name from the adults table where their ID is equal to select, where the ID is equal to select, into bracket select ID from adults table where last name is equal to black. So this is going to give us the specific name in which I'm looking for using their first name and last name, black. So this goes into the DBMS's check first name and last name using black, then it brings it out. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, Bookie white, Bookie black, it's there. So this also works perfectly. The next query, which is going to be the subquery in relation as a relation, subquery as a relation. The subquery as a relation. Sorry, I'm not that well. This query is going to select. This query is going to select the middle name from the youth information who attends churches classes, who attend church classes. So this query is certainly going to select. This query is totally going to select the middle names from the youth information table. So it's going to select from the middle name from the youth information table who attend church classes. So let's see how this query also works. So as you can see, using their middle names, as you can see here they are. This query also works. So now we are about to create our view. So let's see how our view also works. Sorry, first I created one earlier, let me drop it. So drop view, drop view, youth view. Okay, let's drop it. Okay, I've dropped it. So now let's go ahead and create a view. As I said, I created it earlier, so I had to delete it and create it again. So as you can see, create view, the view name is youth view, as ID, first name and last name from the youth information table, where ID is greater than 5, where ID is greater than 5. So this is going to use the ID name greater than 5. Going to pop up. Let's see how if this creating query works. Okay, so as you can see, it works. Success role affected. It works perfectly. So let's see. Youth view underscore view. Let's see if it works. So as you can see, the view works. View you've created works. So now you are going to select a view as a relation. Select view as a relation. So I have select ID first, ID last name and first name from youth view. Order by first name, ascending order. This is going to use, this view is going to use the ascending order by their first name. So let's see how it also works. So as you can see, this view also works using their first name, ascending order, ascending order, as you can see. So thank you very much, and my name is Francis Appiagyei Jr. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. God bless you.